In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find QuickBooks journal entries. This guide will help you navigate and efficiently locate your journal entries within QuickBooks, a task that is essential for managing your finances and maintaining accurate records. By following these steps, you'll be able to quickly and easily find the information you need. First, you'll want to open QuickBooks. It's important to ensure you have a stable internet connection, as QuickBooks operates through the cloud and requires internet access. Once QuickBooks is open, you'll notice the homepage is filled with various options and menus. But don't let that overwhelm you. What's important is the top right corner of the screen where you will see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on that. Once you click Sign In, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. If you're logging in for the first time on a particular device, you may also encounter some additional verification steps. This is just a security measure to protect your data. After you've entered your email and password, click the Sign In button and you'll be directed to your QuickBooks dashboard. With a successful login now under your belt, let's move on to the next steps. Navigating to the Reports tab. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice several menu options. Take a closer look and you'll find the Reports tab. Clicking on this will bring up a series of reporting options which give you a detailed overview of your business's financial standing. Now, the Reports tab is divided into several sections, but we are particularly interested in the Standard tab. So after you've clicked on Reports, make your way to the Standard tab. This tab is an excellent source for a variety of reports, offering standard templates that cover all the bases for most businesses. Next, we'll dive into the For My Accountant section. This is located within the Standard tab. The For My Accountant section is a treasure trove of detailed financial reports that are specifically geared toward bookkeeping and accounting needs. It's designed to help accountants access comprehensive data efficiently. Within this section, you'll see several options. The one we're interested in is labeled Journal. Click on Journal to view your journal entries. This feature is incredibly handy as it provides a detailed breakdown of all financial transactions entered into your QuickBooks. You'll see a list that showcases all your journal entries, giving you the ability to track down specific transactions and review the corresponding entries. This journal report will provide you with details like the transaction date, account affected, and the amount involved, making it an invaluable tool for detailed financial analysis. Navigating through these journal entries can be made even more efficient by utilizing the filters available in QuickBooks. You can customize your view to show only the most relevant information by setting parameters like date ranges or account types. This level of customization ensures that you can access the data that matters most without sifting through extraneous details. Remember, taking the time to familiarize yourself with these features will boost your efficiency when dealing with financial data. As you become more adept at navigating QuickBooks, you'll find that accessing and analyzing journal entries becomes second nature. If you ever need to delve deeper into any particular transaction, the details contained within each journal entry can provide you with the insight necessary to understand your business's financial health better. There's always something new to learn when it comes to software like QuickBooks. As you continue to explore its features, you'll undoubtedly find shortcuts and options that make managing your finances even easier. By honing your proficiency with these tools, you set yourself up for more streamlined and effective business management. In conclusion, the steps we've gone through together will help you effortlessly find QuickBooks journal entries whenever needed, first by ensuring you're logged in, then navigating through the Reports tab, locating the standard reports, visiting the For My Accountant section, and finally selecting the Journal option. You are well on your way to mastering your financial records management. These steps are straightforward yet powerful once you know your way around them. We appreciate your attention today, and we trust that this guide has made you feel more comfortable accessing journal entries in QuickBooks. By following these steps, you'll better handle your financial reporting and analysis. Thank you for watching, and make sure to explore more tips and tricks to make the most out of your QuickBooks experience. Until next time, happy accounting.